welcome back to Mrs. B Lux Life. I am Sarita, and welcome. Okay, so we have an unboxing. We have something to talk about, and it may be a shocker to some, but then it might not be. I don't know, but I'll go ahead and put a video up of unboxing, but that's just to open up the packaging because that box was big and I didn't want to put it up here.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am.
Okay, so here is the beauty. Okay, go ahead, guess. Like I know if y'all guessed or not. Like I know. So, okay, first before I open it, this bag it's been out I think since the beginning of the year, but every time they put it on the site it sells out. Every time they put it on the site it sells out, and hold on y'all. Every time they put it on the site it sells out, and I originally ordered this one in February, but in maple. When it came, my heartstrings weren't pulled, so I returned it the next day and have not been able to get this color, which y'all know now is black. But they restocked it. I put more inventory. I don't know where it magically came from, but I was able to order it on the last drop day, and now it has arrived. So now let's look at it. Yes. Oh my God, it smells amazing. But yes. I have the Rogue 31 by Coach. Yes. Look, let me let y'all know what made this even more. I needed to get that bag. This Crafty Speedy. I wear that bag, I throw it on my shoulder and go. And I was just like, you know what? I need to see about getting my 31. So before the last drop day, I reached out to the store. 3 different stores was on the list. One of the stores reached out to me and said they would be able to order it, But by that time, I already had them went in store, made the order, and it was coming. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I was just like, okay, this is the sign. Go ahead and get the bag. And that's what I did. But FedEx doing whatever the heck they be doing. They told me between 10 and 2. 2 came and went. 3 came and went. 4 came and went. And then, you know, they're like, you're calling them right now. You got to wait. So many hours after it. And the thing hangs up on you. Oh, I was on fire. Okay? Smoking. But 5:16, they finally delivered it. 3 hours and 16 minutes after the time you posted. But okay, I guess what can I do? But wait or not wait. I don't know. Even if you don't wait, you still waiting. So I digress because that pissed me off. But it finally has arrived, and I'm like, let me go ahead and open the box to make sure it's good. So here we are. But this bag is beautiful, y'all. It's black. Like like I needed another black bag in my life. I did. And this leather, oh my goodness, I think it's just full grain leather. Yeah, it's what is that? Okay, I thought that was something on there. It's genuine full grain leather. So yes, it is. Hold on, y'all, I gotta see what that is. Oh, it's glue. Oh, how do I get it off of there? Hold on, y'all. Look, y'all can see it, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Well, y'all probably can't. Yeah, it's glue. I don't want to scratch my fingers on it, though. But I see it's glue. It's moving. Okay, I'm going to have to figure that out. I'm going to probably have to get a cloth and try to wipe it, but... Okay, so something for me to go look at. I like this cloth, y'all. I like the new cloths. I think they're nice. Well, I like the little beigey color. Yeah, I think it's nice, but it's not as thick. I don't know. I think my other one's a little thicker. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look and see. But Y'all know we this is a reveal, and we know that by now, right? But I will be breaking this beauty down. We'll probably do it before the end of the week. But look at that. Comparable to the Speedy. Since it's a 31, I'm like, okay, it's comparable to the Speedy 30. I can do a shoulder bag, crossbody, or handheld. I don't know. I'm just excited to have it. And it's a classic piece. Like I told y'all, I am curating my handbag collection. I'm not just buying to buy just to say I have it. Because I've done that, been there, done that, and not trying to do it again. But this is a beautiful, beautiful bag, and how it's made and everything. Now, I originally had the 25 with the pebbled leather and the like gold color inside, but I was not reaching for it. I really didn't like the pebble. It just wasn't, I don't know. I just think this leather on here is better for the look that I'm going for. Okay, for the look I'm going for. So y'all know how that switch can go off. It could be the look today and not the look tomorrow, but I don't know. But right now I'm loving it. I love this. I love the Chelsea. Like, yeah, that is my type. Pebble is okay, but this here is a whole different situation. Okay, oh my goodness. So I'm ready to break it down, but I have to show y'all something else that I picked up from the drop. Hold on. Okay, so while I was over there picking up what else I got, I forgot to show y'all this. But if you're on my Tickety Talk, you already saw it. But I'm in a couple groups on TikTok with handbag ladies. And one of my groups, one of the ladies, she now works at Coach. And she put this on her story. It took me, I forgot that I replied to her. And she held it for me. And I bought it, I think, 2 days later. Yes, my little Coach Angel. But look at that. Now, this book wasn't the first on my list. It actually was number 2, but the one I want for number 1, I still have not found. But if she gets one in, I will be buying it. But look, I watched this movie and everything. So, oh, I got me a book charm. So, that is perfection. But let me show y'all what else I picked up from the drop. Yes, I picked up the Crystal Plaza look. And I know a lot of people are like, does it fit on? It fits on the arm. Perfect, perfect. But I plan to probably use it as a crossbody. But look at that. And this is hot commodity now. They're all over TikTok and in different Facebook groups looking for this. So one friend I was looking for yesterday for her, I called all the local stores. None. Last week when I was in there, they had 2 displays out and they had 3 in the back. None. So I didn't even have the option to do pickup in store when I ordered this on drop day. They just shipped it. So, and the shipping was quite fast. Come on now, Coach. Okay, but FedEx need to get the message of get it there when you say you're gonna get it there. Thank you. Okay, but there's the tag. Yes, I think this is so cute. Just running to the store, running errands, running wherever, and throwing this on and go. I think this is so cute. Okay, so that is the goodies that I had to show y'all, because y'all know I don't like to do anything with my things until I show y'all. So I have showed y'all, and then the next thing we're gonna do is break these bags down. I've already made space for them in the cabinet. I made space because I don't want to buy. If I buy another cabinet, that means more bags. I'm trying not to go there. I've made space, and we're going to see how this goes. Otherwise, I'm going to have to get another cabinet. I keep thinking I don't have to, but yeah, I'm trying to avoid that. I am, because I know me, and I don't need to. I don't. But that is what I wanted to show y'all. Thank you guys so much for showing love, commenting, subscribing, and everything else. And don't forget to hype me up. And I'm going to have to say that on the next video, because I got to wait till it comes. I don't want to overspeak myself. But yeah. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye. Oh, did any of y'all pick up the Road 31 or the Plaza? Let me know down below.